Looking for a restaurant in Tulum that does more than just dinner? We found it. Porfirio's gave us a full-on food experience. We started with their famous octopus appetizer, one of their most popular dishes, and for good reason. But the real show started with our main entry, the Cowboy El Sancho, steak flambéed with tequila cooked right at our table. And my favorite drink, the Jalisco, was a smooth, flavorful, and the perfect match for the night. The dessert, sweet, beautiful, and unforgettable. The vibe, the laid-back, luxurious energy you can only find in Tulum. From the service to the setting, everything was top-notch. If you're planning a trip to Tulum, Porfirio's is an absolutely must. Hit the like button if you love dinner with flair. And don't forget to be adventurous. Let's go. Vámonos.